Step into a home where bold colors, wild patterns, and luxe details turn every room into a vibrant statement. From dazzling bathrooms to antique touches, this design proves that more is never enough. Jonathan Rachman's design for this home project showcases a whimsical and vibrant aesthetic, embracing a rich interplay of colors and patterns. The overall approach brings a four-story Edwardian home into the 21st century with a wild and vibrant family home feel. A key element in the decor is the extensive use of various patterns and contrasting colors, creating a lively and dynamic atmosphere throughout the residence. Even typically more utilitarian spaces like bathrooms and children's bedrooms are designed to dazzle with their bold choices. The color palette often leans towards vibrant tones, creating a sense of joy and visual excitement. For instance, blue and white combinations are frequently seen, described as fresh, fun, and timeless. The home incorporates luxurious materials, with a notable mention of hand-painted and hand-embroidered silk wallpaper, such as those from de Gournay. This meticulous attention to detail extends to the selection of antique pieces, which are strategically placed to add history and unique character to the rooms. This helps prevent a contrived feeling that can arise from entirely new furnishings. These antiques, often found through Rachman's keen eye at flea markets and auctions, contribute to a layered and personal feel. While specific details for every room are not extensively available, the project emphasizes a bold use of color in entertainment areas and a preference for more neutral tones in private spaces like bedrooms for relaxation. Bathrooms, however, are also designed with a strong visual impact, featuring elements like metallic tubs, graphic tiles, and Art Deco-style backlit screens, often balanced with marble floors. The overall design philosophy leans towards creating spaces that feel personal and reflective of the homeowner's aesthetic, with a belief that more is never enough when it comes to expressing personality and joy through design.